For the first method, we're going to head over to search and type in device manager. Click on it. Once you're on it, you want to expand network adapters, and then you want to click on action and then click on scan for hardware changes. And then see if it comes back. If that still doesn't work, then you want to click on action again and then click on add legacy hardware. And then click on next. Then you want to click on search for and install the hardware automatically. Click on next again and then see if it appears. For the second method, we're going to head over to search and type in find and fix network problems. Click on it. Then you want to click on advanced and then make sure that apply repairs automatically has been ticked and click on next. Then you want to click on troubleshoot my connection to the internet. If it detects any problems, then you can solve those problems and it should fix the problem for you. For the next step, we're going to head over to search and type in services. Click on it. Once we're on this, we're going to click on any service and click on W on our keyboard, and we want to scroll down till we find WLAN autoconfig. You want to double click on it and then make the startup type automatic and then click on start. And then click on OK. But if the service status was already running, then you want to click on stop and then click on start again and click on OK. For the next step, we're going to head over to search and type in CMD. Then we're going to run it as administrator and then click on yes. Once we're on this, we're going to type in netsh space winsock space reset and click on enter. Once you do this, you want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.